Data from the Jamaica Society for the Blind indicates that 1 in every 1,000 children of school age are functionally blind. Additionally, 3 in every 1,000 children of school age have been diagnosed with low vision. Thursday, October 10 is observed globally as World Sight Day, and the theme for World Sight Day 2024 is Children, Love Your Eyes. The Jamaica Society for the Blind is encouraging children to minimize the amount of time spent looking at a computer, tablet, and mobile phone screens. If you have to look at the screen, make sure it is 18 to 24 inches or 2 feet away from your eyes. Children should also be encouraged to follow the 20-20-20 rule. Look up from the screen every 20 minutes and look at something at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Parents, if you see your child squinting, rubbing their eyes constantly, holding things very close to the eyes, take them to do an eye exam. Eye exams can be done at the Jamaica Society for the Blind Vision Center, located at 111.5 Old Hope Road in Kingston.